Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to tell your story on your profile settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click edit public profile. Here you will find about, just click on it and here you can write your story and click done, and that's it. That's how to tell your story on your profile settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.